Hello, everyone. I hope everybody's having a great day so far. So today in class, we're going to go over the...
I don't mean to interrupt. Well, I do. But Doc, you have something on your face. Nope. Above your lip.
Sorry, Dr. Dennis, that was totally inappropriate. But seriously, I must ask you a question.
Real funny. Get your jokes out. If there's anything I've learned from all of you, and that's not to suppress anything. So let it out.
Dr. Dennis, why didn't you look? I mean, I must admit that it's getting a little warm in here.
Well, after y'all helped me unburden myself, I gave myself a makeover.
Hey, Dan, there's something different about you. I can't quite put my finger on it.
Oh, I just grew my hair out, that's all.
Yeah, that's it.
Does anyone smell that?
Seriously, Dr. Dennis, what is the topic we shall cover today?
Today in class, we're going to go over the pelvis.
Okay, Dr. Dennis, let's discuss the pelvis.
Oh, you mean pelvis?
Come on, Dan. You know he really means pelvis.
Ha! Real funny. I got Invisalign, so that's why my speech might be a little bit funny. Let's get it together. Wait, where's Maxine?
Oh, she had to go to China, but she's going to Zoom into the class.
Hi, Dr. Dennis. Sorry I couldn't be there today. I had to come to China to vouch for my parents and... What is that on your face?
Okay, it's just a mustache, Maxine.
No, you look amazing. You look just like one of my favorite actors who's also extremely attractive. Tom Selleck.
Yes, she's right. Tom Selleck can teach me about pelvis all day.
Okay, you two ladies are out of control.
Okay, so first we go over the bones of the pelvis. First is the sacrum, it's in the back, and below it is a small triangular bone called the coccyx.
Oh my goodness, this is the most inappropriate class ever. Did you just say
Goodness, yes, it's not that hard. Sorry, I have to get this.
Is it your mommy?
No, it's the dean.
Se te pasó la fecha para someter las calificaciones de los estudiantes. Tú sabes las reglas de Boricua University, School Graduate Education. Ya casi fallas este año. Pon más atención. Ahí mando a Katie, la directora del programa de GED, con unos papeles de probation. Tienes que llenarlos y enviar antes de mañana a las 5 de la tarde. Oh, ¿vienes a comer a casa? ¿Sabes qué? Envíame un texto. Tengo una clase de flamenco en 10 minutos.
Okay, so the sacrum is in the back, and below it is the coccyx.
Coccyx. Okay, but I have a question.
No, not that hard. It's the sacrum and the
Hi, I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm Katie. We haven't met before. I'm the social studies teacher and the director of the GED program. Okay. Did you talk to your mom? Sorry, Dean Yolanda? Cool. Well, these are the forms. Oh, there.
It was his mom.
Dr. Dennis, are you okay? I saw a movie with Tom Selleck where he was, I'm on a call!
I'm sorry, is she in a bathroom?
Hey, I think you're semi-attractive, but your teaching is so repulsive. Calm down, don't fret. You're super nervous, I bet. Please be at ease and breathe and pay attention to me, please. Move your hips like this.
Technically, it's your pelvis. There's a sacrum in the back, a ilium on the sides, but yo, I gotta get back.
Oh no, you don't. I'll tell listen, move and have fun. Breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Yeah! Breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Pay attention to due dates.
So I made a few mistakes.
Do you watch your students in their chairs?
Sometimes they just friggin' stare.
Do you listen to their questions?
Like anatomy, full of connection.
That's it!
Okay,
Move on and have fun.
there's no fun in a GED classroom. I'd rather be anywhere than at Rome when the world strips you of everything, and then you're surrounded by students who know nothing.
It begins with you. If only you listen, because you know it's all connected.
Hey, I think I got it. I gotta breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Yes! Breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Breathe, watch, listen, move and have fun. Like the pelvis, it's all connected.
Sorry, well, I'll let you guys get back to it. Sorry, I don't know why my... Sorry, I don't know why my allergies are acting. Dr. Dennis, are you by any chance wearing some cologne? What are you wearing? I have a severe allergy to some fragrances.
Old Spice.
No. Oh, I'm gonna puke.
Pure Sport.
Hey, Doc D, as the kids would say, your game is not on point.
So the sacrum is pretty much between your bum, and the coccyx, similar to coccyx, is directly in the middle and center where you sit. The ischium, think of tighty whities. They are the bones where you put your legs into.
Okay, so sacrum, coccyx, ischium, got it.
Huh? No. The ilium are large bones and they're like wings.
Love watching shows from the wings.
Say, is she ill? Huh? 'Cause puke! It's a mnemonic. Say, sacrum, ischium, ilium, cause, coccyx, puke, pubis. It's an easy way to memorize it.
I see what you did there, Dr. Dennis. A wordsmith at heart.
Hey, is she ill? Cause puke.
Sacrum. Ischium. Ilium. Coccyx. Pubis. Okay, so you say the coccyx is a tiny bone and it's in our rear. Does that do anything?
Oh, great question. You know, sometimes the coccyx can get put out of place and then can cause a lot of pain down there. To fix it, some physical therapists have to go inside the bum hole and fix it.
That's it for me.
Ditto, ditto my song. All right, y'all. Peace. Sacrum.
Pelvis. Coccyx. Pelvis. Hello? Anyone there?